Warning, don't do this. You probably shouldn't get out of your car inside an operating car wash. And if you do, I'm not responsible for any damage that the car wash may do to your car. What is going on, guys? I'm Wash Ergo, and today, well, actually last night we had a little bit of a snowstorm. So today, we're gonna answer the question that nobody ever asked. Can you just run your car through the automatic car wash, clean all the snow off it? Let's take the Rampage, it's front wheel drive. I did come out here and brush the glass off real fast. That's kind of a safety issue, so I figured I might as well get that done. But hey, go time. It is not warm out today. Oh, it's sliding. Good job, Rampage. I figured you'd be able to climb out of this. Everything kind of turned to ice overnight, so it's gonna be a slippery drive over to the car wash. Well, I tried to swing it around a little bit. It wasn't happening. One of my buddies messaged me last night and was like, just use the unlimited car wash. And we all have unlimited memberships at this car wash because it's quick, easy, and you just pull your phone out and scan it. You can actually see where John had to wipe the snow off the QR code here. So this is the before. Now let's run it through the car wash, find out what happens. A lot of snow on the hood, that's where I think we're gonna see the most improvement. I think we're getting some of the snow blasted off. Oh, it's definitely gonna take it all off. We ran out of the undercarriage spray there. So, there we are. Honestly, this is a better shot. I figured I might as well jump out and show you what happens. It's kind of wet in here. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, that's obvious. This is also a good ad for PDQ. There you go, laser wash. Use this on your website. We're at stage washing. Oh, for some reason we didn't get any water there. And we got water again. Honestly, it's doing a really good job. Almost all the snow's off the hood right there. Unfortunately, there's not much left for the car wash to do here. The rest of it's just like the wax and the tri-coat and all that stuff. So I don't think it's gonna take too much more of the snow off. Maybe the heater will do it. Well, we're down to the spot 3, so here comes the dryer. Lots of snow left on it. The dryer might get this done. Wow, we got 22 seconds left. Roll backwards a little bit. Six seconds. Well, that worked way better than I anticipated. I guess if you just wanted to clean your glass, you'd have pretty good luck just running it through the auto car wash. There's still some, snow on the hood, a little bit on the roof. The bed's got plenty in it. But for the most part, the snow is off this truck. So if you've never seen this before, welcome to the channel. This is my turbo swapped Dodge Turbo 1, that is, Shelby swapped Dodge Rampage. And now it's pretty clean, so I can drive around in the snow. We're gonna get it dirty again, and then I'll wash it again to get this salt off it. I'm gonna go get some food. Weirdly, it seems like a bunch of people are showing up now. A truck just followed me in. That Cayenne right there just followed me in. But I think we successfully answered the question. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. I'm so happy to see out of the back glass now. That is a huge improvement. as I slide down that driveway. I tried to throw a little bit of speed at it to blow off the rest of the snow, but it was not having it. That snow is stuck. Might be why the car wash had no luck. Rampage is in second. Let's see if she'll kick a donut. Obviously, it's front wheel drive, so I just have to kind of throw the rear end out. Nothing.